am grade 7. My school is St. Joseph College. Welcome to my presentation. I explain about atmosphere. Atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The sphere created by all amount of gases called atmosphere. There are as layer in atmosphere. There are stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. The picture of layers. Our atmosphere is speed up to 700 kilometers. The pressure acts due to the weight of the air in atmosphere. It's measured by millibars. Picture of is millibars. Troposphere. Our first layer is atmosphere. It is speed up to 15 kilometers from sea level, but North Pole is 8 kilometers. Parachute, weather balloons, planes, helicopters can we see this layer. Planes, parachutes, some of them. Dust particles or water vapors are mostly present in this layer. The air layer is near to the earth get more heated. Therefore, temperature in low level is high but is decreasing from bottom to top. Stratosphere. Its speed from is to 50 kilometers. Jets, planes travel through this layer. Rockets, jets, some of them. Ozone layer present in the stratosphere helps to prevent the earth from ultraviolet rays coming from sun. Cumulonimbus clouds can be seen in this layer. These seen clouds are shape of anvil. The reason for this shape is blowing wind in one direction rain with thundering can be expected after forming these clouds. Mesosphere. It is spread from 50 kilometers and 80 kilometers. It is the coldest layer. Ice clouds can be seen layer. This is the ice clouds. Thermosphere. It is the sphere with the higher temperature. It spreads from 80 kilometers to 100 kilometers. International Space Station is present in this layer. This is the international layer. Aurora also can be seen in this layer. Aurora real is northern pole and Aurora Austra south pole. Aurora borealis can be seen near to the northern pole. Aurora australis is. Exosphere. It is the thinnest layer. It is spread from 120 kilometers above sea level. The percentage of gases: oxygen 21%, inactive gases 1%, nitrogen gas 78%, other gases carbon dioxide, argon, hydrogen. Function of atmosphere: provide oxygen for respiration, supply nitrogen to plant to growth, provide carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Atmosphere help to bird fly. It support to communication among people. Carbon dioxide acts as fire extinguisher. Pictures of used to carbon dioxide. Air pollution. What is air pollution? Adding substance to atmosphere, changing its composition and causing harmful effects on organisms are called air pollution. There are two causes of air pollution: gaseous pollution, particle pollution. Gaseous pollution. There are carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide. Particle pollution. Dust and carbon particles. The example for dust: Example for carbon particles, adverse effects of air pollution, lung cancers, acid rain, climatic change on Earth, increasing of temperature in atmosphere, reduction. The picture of acid rain. How to minimize air pollution? Minimizing the combustion of fossil fuel, reforestation, recycle. This is a growing plant. This is recycle. Thank you. Bye.